What I've just done. Yeah, put the water on. Oh, okay, turn it off. So back with another house update. We've got loads of work carried out in the last day. So I'll crack on and show you guys what we've been up to. Every builder needs an apprentice. Push fit on the end. Right, so that should be done. So now we'll test it again, get the water put on. So I put the cap on, but it's not gone all the way flush. We're going to test if it works. Okay, put the water on. Ah, it's worked. Okay, turn it off. Okay, so moment of truth. The left is the new one I've just done. Yeah, put the water on. Oh, okay, turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. That didn't work. I've just really popped it on. Let's see if it works. Okay, yeah, turn it on. Yes, it's worked. That one is solid. They are both solid. Nice. There you go.
Do a little Amazon review while you're there.
Yeah.
Oh, you said that then.
So, more time at the house. What we've done is ripped up all the floors in pretty much every room, and then we've got to clear up all the rubbish that's under the floors, and then go around pulling out all the nails that was holding all the other floor down. Nicola's in at the moment. Then clear it all out, and then once you do that, you have to cut out all the old pipes. So you can see they've started cutting out the pipes, get all the pipes cut out, and then once you cut out all the pipes, then we can lay the new pipes for the new heating system, and then we can insulate, put a membrane down, then we can insulate and then lay the new floor on top. So we've had the chimney redone. So the top of the chimney, those cowlings, they were like flush at the bottom, so they weren't done properly. So we've had new ones put on. Obviously all the concrete at the top's been done. So it'll be repointed as well, and they've sorted out the back as well. So that stopped all the leaks inside. So that's all done. It's super neat. Really good job on that. So just done the dishwasher. See if it works. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, it's worked. Right. So it's time for an update video. So we have ripped up all the floors everywhere. We have then gone around and pulled out all the nails. So there's literally 2 nails that far apart in every single joist. So we've done all of that. We then had to bang down all the nails on skirting board to rip all the skirting boards out, rip the floors out. It comes out like Weetabix, so it's really difficult. And then we've cleaned up all the rubbish underneath. There's so much rubbish underneath here. So cleaned all that out. So we've done both those rooms, and then obviously the hallway. Haven't done the bathroom yet, so we're debating on to that. Obviously that room, hallway. We've then cut out loads of pipes as well. So cut out loads of copper pipes, removed all the radiators, got a few pipes left, majority of the pipes off. So going through here, ripped out the kitchen, capped off all the water. And yeah, this is the old kitchen, so you completely cleared it up. Still quite a lot of rubbish under there, but it was just piled high with rubbish. Yeah, just loads and loads of stuff. So got all that done. So we have also added some vents as long. The roof for some ventilation. I might have showed you that last time, can't remember. But we've done the vents there as well. There's probably loads of other stuff that we've done. Yeah, we've done a massive tip run, so we've not used the skip, which is good to save some more money. There's probably loads of other stuff we've done. Can't remember. Cleaned the wall, scraped all the wallpaper off. We still need, I took the door off the bathroom to get a new door. We need to take a door out in the hallway and studded it up and plasterboard it. So we can do that, and then we still need to clean up the walls ready for the plasterer. So like in this room, there's some mould on the walls, so we still need to clean it up and get it off. And we need to remove some of the radiator stuff. But yeah, it's getting there. So once everyone comes in now, it should move pretty quick. It should be pretty cool. Should move along, yeah, be pretty good. And then on top of the roof, they have redone the chimney, which I showed you in the other video. So redone all that, coated, repointed all that. Had 2 vents put in the roof as well. So we've got the extractor vents for the bathrooms. They didn't have one, and then obviously a new one for the kitchen extractor as well. And then they have also repointed the ridge line on the roof, which is good. And then we're getting the fireplace opened up. So the builders are gonna rip that open it up so we can get a log burner, which is pretty cool. And I think we're gonna stay on the half that we've already got, because we quite like that half. So that'd be nice to rip that all open. So then electrician will start soon, so you can rewire the whole place. Plumber can come in, put all the new heating system in. Then we can insulate the floors, relay the floors. And then the plasterer can come in, reskim the whole place, and then we can paint and get the kitchen in. So we're still doing the kitchen design, so that's taking quite a while, and obviously getting quotes and that kind of thing. But yeah, and then we can get that in. And then we'll debate whether we'll be doing the bathroom, ripping that all out and doing that, which I think we will. So yeah, we're getting that done as well. So pretty exciting. So there you go, update video. See you in the next one.